There we go. Yeah, I haven't. Feels like I haven't done a pre-lift chat in a while, so thought let's do it. Uh, Hold on. Actually, I gotta get my phone out real quick. Today is chest. We're gonna be doing a little bit something a little bit different. I tried it out last chest day, starting off with flies instead of pressing first, and believe it or not, um, that actually felt better in the end. The pump felt better starting off with flies and then moving on to pressing uh, second. And that that pump check video I put up was actually from that chest day. So, and I was feeling fucking wicked that day. Uh, but yeah, update as for how the cut is going. I have hit somewhat of a plateau. So I lowered my calories last week, or well, yeah, last week I think, and I started changing up my after work snack. I used to get make like a sandwich or something, make a sandwich or get like a protein shake or a protein bar or something like that. Make something up real quick. I lately the trend has been uh, egg whites with barbecue sauce or uh, this really good Cajun seasoning I got. Some salt and pepper, some low fat, low fat part skim mozzarella cheese. That's been pretty good. I tried to make an omelet today instead of just doing scrambled eggs, and it didn't end up actually being an omelet because as soon as I tried to fold it over, it just fucking fell apart. So I made scrambled eggs again. This for the last 2 or 3 days, I think I've been having scrambled egg whites um, after work, and they're pretty damn filling, and also fucking 100% protein basically. There's no carbs, basically no fat. At least the nutrition label says there's no fat. I don't know how true that is, but everything says it's pretty much 100% protein. So cook up some of that, then wait a little while before you go to the gym. Everything's set. Usually, what I've been running into the trouble of getting enough protein in at the end of the day. That's historically where I've had the trouble because I eat lower calorie foods throughout the day and not prioritizing ooh not prioritizing protein as much and just trying to stay below a certain amount. And um, this has been really helping me hit my protein goals. I actually increased my protein uh, target lately at the same time, as I lowered my calories because I don't think I was getting enough protein. So I went from 165 up to like 100 between like I gave myself a range like between 175 to like 190 anywhere in there. I'll be good. I'd say I've been doing a lot of chicken breast for dinner too. Just changing the like every day, every night, like for like a week, but changing what I do with the chicken and like the seasoning and stuff. So like I'll just do straight chicken with different seasonings, or I'll do like a quesadilla one night, and then I'll do like a burrito with like a bunch of shredded lettuce and like low calorie sauce and whatnot in there, some cheese in there too. Uh, then another night I'll do what was the other thing I did? I think I made a salad with the shredded lettuce, some romaine lettuce, some croutons, cheese, sauce, whatever, all in a bowl. That was pretty good too. Uh, but anyway, I was thinking about this earlier today. I realized just how much I used to eat, like just sitting there watching TV, snacking. Like, it's almost ridiculous now that I think about it. Like, I got these recently. I was feeling a bit like I wanted something to snack on here and there, so I got this package of like pre-portioned goldfish crackers, little snack packs, and they're like the little ones like that. They're like 130 calories. I used to when I when I was going to school in Pennsylvania for auto mechanics and stuff. I used to buy those big fucking cardboard uh, boxes of goldfish that are like that big. I used to just sit there on the couch, fucking eating them like crazy. I would probably go through a whole one of those big boxes of goldfish in about a week. And if you give me one of those like normal package, like the smaller ones, the regular size packaging, I could go through that in two different sittings. Like sit there and eat half the packet in one sitting, and then the next day I'll finish the other half. I was eating so many fucking crackers. I think that is my vice. Crackers. Crackers are definitely my guilty pleasure, which I have been staying far away, except for, of course, the little packets of goldfish. But those are pre-packet or pre-portioned, so I can realize how much calories I'm actually eating. It's just kind of crazy to think about it. Like 130 calories for this many. Eating a whole fucking package, that's got to be in the thousands of calories, or pretty damn near close to it. But yeah, it just was eye opening because I hadn't thought about it before. But yeah, I would literally just sit there and just munch and munch and munch on the fucking crackers, cheeses too. Uh, yeah, you got to be careful with snacking, especially when you're just watching something, because it's like not even conscious. You're just something to do while you're watching something on the TV. You can get blast, absolutely destroy your calorie uh, limit, calorie goal for the day, like that. 5 minutes, not even. But yeah, I just been struggling with the my hunger, my appetite has actually gone up lately. I've been noticing I've been getting hungrier earlier in the day. Uh, like I've been going a couple hours, after I wake up, go a couple hours before I eat breakfast. That time span before I start to get hungry in the morning has been getting shorter and shorter. So it's been a little bit difficult, but I've been taking things and splitting them up. Uh, my breakfast into two parts. I usually eat two things for breakfast, like a sandwich and like a little granola bar or something. I'll Once I get that first hunger uh, signal, I'll get one of them. I eat the granola bar first, and then wait a couple more hours, and then eat the little breakfast sandwiches. But yeah, that's we're getting there. I think I weighed in at 164. That's where I got stuck at 164. So I'm gonna start doing more cardio too. Um, I'm thinking after I get home from work, I'll just go straight to the gym, do 30 minutes of cardio on the bike, and then go home, eat my protein snack of eggs or whatever it ends up being. Come back a couple hours later, go to the gym, work out, eat dinner, and so on and so forth. I think that's going to be my new routine if I can get myself to fucking stick to it. And I think that's going to help me blast through these last couple pounds I want to lose and just see. I mean, unless it ends up being more, depending on how I look. But anyway, let's enough talking. Let's get in there. Okay, we'll start with cable flies. Last time you saw me in this shirt, I was 20 pounds heavier. I'm gonna try to keep the chest up and bring it together, elbows together. You know.
day I forget my AirPods. One day I forget my AirPods. One day I forget my AirPods. What we do? I already got it. I already got it. My name. I see somebody that was like 300 pounds that was shaking. Not that. And I have a chest ring. You have a chest ring? I actually do, yeah. It is very. Never seen it.
Forgot my headphones.
I think you have a video expensive.
Shit, I play all the fucking music. I put my earbuds in, didn't hit play.
You gotta go to sex somewhat. Sometimes it's like, bro, what are you talking about? So cool. So cool. Come on. My God. I'm waiting. Goddamn. Goddamn. You literally press 3 with Apple. And we put the heart that you don't have to make a password. It's your literal iPad. And your regular password. You know what you know. Let me run this book. You want to go back to the previous one? How did the previous one go? Alright, I'm gonna just I saw you the first time and I was like, alright.
Ah, fuck. Okay. Next set, gonna be doing more bet over. Probably do 2 or 3 sets like that, and then move on to pressing.
Oh no, talk to me nicely. Then you push it right this way. Try down.
Yep. I didn't need to drop the weight. I'll put that back. Put that back.
Oh, there it is. Yo. I tried to put my legs together and I fell. Once your legs start moving around,
Yeah, 15 wasn't happening there, that's for sure. I think I'll do 1 more of these.
my shoulders get tired. Yo, I was telling you, bro. I told you yesterday. Bro, my shoulders are like on my right side. Like, I bring my back foot.
Might throw in a little bit of pressing at the end. Am I too far forward? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. So that. I think I know what we're doing next.
There it is. Try not to walk to the mirror. You're not gonna walk into it.
Now that I know how the damn tracking works, I should be able to do this set without it defocusing my face the entire set every time this thing comes in the frame. Of course, I'm a little bit further away than I was when I did that set, but it should be better this time. Okay. I think next set, I'll choke up, get up to here, get a really deep fucking stretch. Might have to go a little bit lower in weight though. And I think this one more set and it will be good. We'll see. I might have to do a pump set a little bit quicker. I'm gonna try and fuck around with the manual focus this time around. Okay, what is that? 14 and 5, so that's 19. Do a drop set. Okay. we're done. Okay, time to check. I have determined that this is the best spot to do the pose down in. It's actually where I used to do the pose down in when I used the tripod, the tiny tripod for the phone. The one that I was using when I get those shots from like on the floor at knee height. All right, let's see here. Let's turn that down just a hair. This camera makes me look way better than I actually do. I like this one. It's probably my favorite one here. The only problem with doing the pose down here is I can't actually see what it looks like. All I can see is the little camera there. But I'll have to check it out. I bet you I look cool. Okay, let me check this out real quick. There we go. All right, that was chest. I definitely am happy with the leanness that I am starting to see with my physique. I only wish. Oh, there we go. I only wish that I could get the camera to capture what it is that I see when I look in the mirror with a chest pump, or after any kind of lift, especially as of lately, because I'm starting to get pretty happy with the way I'm looking here. Not that I didn't like how I looked before any particular way. I just think I'm starting to look a little bit cooler. And I'm still trying to figure out how to get the camera to capture how cool I think I look. Or how cool I look to myself when I look in the mirror, if that makes any sense. Well, you guys probably didn't notice, but as of, I think, I want to say last week, maybe a little bit further, at, at least a week and a half ago, maybe about a week ago, I started seeing ab veins uh, towards the bottom near the V line on either side. Those two, I guess they're arteries. I have no idea, but they I'm starting to see some ab veins, which means I'm getting closer and closer to being able to have what I like to call walking around abs, which I understand and I realize that even people with like super shredded abs don't always look like they have a six pack. Like if they're just walking around chilling, they're not gonna have super cut abs. But like I want it to be to the point where I basically don't have to do anything to see them. Ooh, fucking hell! Forgot about that bump. Um, yeah, but things are getting interesting. Definitely getting interesting. But back to the thing about what I see when I look in the mirror. Now, I realize that body dysmorphia is a thing. Sometimes you, not just you, but me as well, will look in the mirror and see somebody who is smaller than they actually are. They being you. Or there'll be times like tonight and a few other nights if I would recall correctly, where you look bigger than you actually are, which can be a riveting experience. I want you guys to be able to see what I see when I look in that mirror and see the progress, the little changes in the physique, the how I don't know how to put it, the excitement that you feel because I'm sure you've heard this before, but it doesn't matter if you're a day one lifter or you've been lifting for years. You look at yourself in the mirror with a pump, you feel just as giddy as the first time you got a pump, thousandth time after that. You know, it feels the same either way as a lifter. So I just want more people to feel that uh, what's the word I'm looking for? I want people to feel that excitement that I get when I see myself with a pump. I mean, and not just with a pump. Obviously, like this during this whole weight loss phase, I get more and more excited with every new development in my physique, and uh, you know, call back to a previous rant. You got to celebrate and appreciate every milestone that you hit. So for me, I guess a recent milestone would be I started to see ab veins. That's a milestone. At least I haven't had ab veins, God, since I was a teenager. And that was only because I was just fucking skin and bones. And God, it sounds weird saying when I was a teenager, because I still feel just as fucking naive as I did back then for the most part. I don't feel like an adult, but I definitely am one. Which can be a scary thought sometimes. It's like, I don't even have my own place. But I am 25 years old. You know what I'm saying? I don't even think I sound like I'm 25 years old, to be honest with you. It's kind of funny because sometimes I'll listen to myself talk in these videos and it's like, the fuck is this kid saying? You don't know what the fuck you're doing and what the fuck you're talking about. But I think we're definitely getting somewhere. New plan of action, new mission statement. Cardio every day after work. Protein meal after cardio. Go lift. Come home and eat something with some more protein and chill. That is my those are my marching orders and those are your marching orders. So if you have time after work, because I get home early enough to where it's not really an issue. I can go do cardio and then have a couple hours between then and when I do my workout. But I want you guys to try it. I'm going to try it along with you. This is going to be the first time I'm doing it. This whole next week, I'm going to try to go straight from work to the gym and then do some cardio for half hour, 20 minutes, 20, between 20 and 20 and 30 minutes. I want to shoot for 30 minutes. Um, so instead of just eating right after I get home from work, put a little bit of a buffer zone and burn some calories while I'm at it. You know what I'm saying? So that's the plan. I challenge you guys to do the same, and I'll report back to you next week and tell you how it went, and if I actually stuck to it. I'm planning on doing morning cardio on the weekends too, like before I eat breakfast. You know, remember how I said I was going to started doing I said I was going to start doing fasted cardio in the mornings on the weekends. Nah, that that didn't stay. That didn't stick. But I'll try it again. All right. I'll say I'll see you guys in the next one tomorrow for back. Why do I always have so much trouble remembering the fucking cycle? I do it every fucking week. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.